Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Oblivion Remastered GPU crash dump triggered fatal error. Really easy. First I want you to right click on your start icon here at the bottom left, okay? And then go ahead and click on settings, right? From here I want you to select system, and then I want you to select display. Now from display I want you to go to graphics settings, okay? So scroll down until you see this last option, click on graphics settings. Now we're going to set a preference for high performance for a specific app. So we need to choose the app. So come here and click on browse through the app and locate your Oblivion Remastered.exe file. Okay, come here, browse. Once you find your file, click on add, and it's really that easy. It will be showing as high performance, okay? And that will fix the issue for you. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.